What's up, my Prodigies? It's me, ThomasProductions, and I'm back with another video. So, if you want to know what I'll be doing today, well, I'm going to be going to the arcade in the Philippines. I'm going to be visiting this mall called Limit Kai Mall, something like that, for the arcades and some VR stuff like that. So, if you are enjoying these vlogs, then you know what you have to do. Make sure you leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on those post notifications. Become a certified prodigy. With that being said, let's get this video started. What's up, guys? It's me. I'm here at this mall called Limit Kai or Cat Kai in the Philippines. It's like an arcade, which is kind of cool. We just did a little VR thing. It's really cool, honestly. So I'll kind of show you around just in a minute. So yeah. Anyways, plan is just to kind of chill out for the night, do stuff, just hang out in this arcade and do some more VR stuff. So yeah. Say hi to the vlog, Aaron. Aaron, say hi to the vlog.
Hey.
Yeah. Alright guys, so I just got back from the mall, the arcade, because it was this place called Limit Kai or Kai Mall, something like that. And I was there with my cousins. We did all these arcade stuff with virtual reality, VR stuff. It was absolutely cool and amazing. And it was also really fun, so yeah. And then after that, we also went into another arcade, which was really cool, also really fun. I didn't get a chance to film that arcade because I was too busy getting tickets and winning prizes for my cousins and friends, family, etc. So I'm sorry I didn't vlog much. And after that, we had dinner at this barbecue place, which was really cool. So yeah. So what I'm going to be doing with this video, guys, is not only you're going to see the arcade stuff, but I also decided that I'm going to continue this vlog into the next day. So, tomorrow I'll be going to SM Mall. That is the name of, that is really the name. It is legit called SM Mall. So, that's where I'll be going. I'll be going there with my cousin, and then we'll also be going bowling with a few of my other cousins that will be showing up a little bit later. So, with that being said, guys, I will see you guys all tomorrow. Hi guys, so it is the next day. It is 2:52 p.m. here in the Philippines. I'm here at Central Mall in the Philippines, and right now I'm in the store of H&M, one of my classic stores that I absolutely enjoy. So I'm just kind of looking around and just doing my stuff, just roaming around randomly in the mall because that's what I do, yo. So yeah, the plan for today is to kind of warm around these malls, go to another mall called SM, and go bowling with my cousins later tonight. Hi guys, so I just left the Central Mall with my cousin, and now we're both off to the SM Mall that was we just got here. Basically, we're finding a way to get in. So I'll see you guys when we get into the SM Mall. Hi guys, I'm now at SM Mall. So it's a very interesting mall, as you can see. Like I will just come out, something like that. I will give you a better view later. But also, I had to go get some Starbucks. Starbucks in the Philippines, a pink drink. I want to taste this real quick. So let's see how this tastes, guys. So let's do it right now. Dude, I give that a 10 out of 10. It's very sugary. It's like really good. So yeah, I was kind of surprised that there was a Starbucks in the Philippines because I was thinking there wasn't going to be. So yeah, but anyways, I will talk. So I'm going around this mall right now, and I will see you guys later when I do some fun stuff. So Hey guys, so just a little update on what's been happening. So me and my cousin, we went to another arcade. I didn't film that again because too many people. But I will show you what I got actually. I won a few prizes. It's hanging on my side. Yeah. In fact I won that off of a claw machine. So I beat the claw machine again. It was pure luck. So there'll be a photo that I'll put in here at some point. So yeah. So right now it is 5:30. So I'll be going. So I'm gonna be getting the snack soon. Then after that I'm gonna go bowling with my cousins, meet up with them, and we're gonna bowl and then just hang out for the night. So yeah. I'll see you guys when I see you.
Told me that I always had to be good.
Alright guys, so I'm now here at the bowling alley with a couple of my cousins. And right now I'm doing fairly decent at the moment. I will show you the score in a bit. So yeah.
What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back. What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back.
Guys, I'm bowling right now and as you thought, I'm at 36 right now. So I'm gonna make it my goal to beat my cousins. So that is my goal. Hi Aaron. So say hi to the vlog. Guys, I just got a strike. I straight up just got a strike. Look at this. I got that strike. And that was only my 4th frame too. So I'm doing pretty good. So I'm happy about it. You want to say hi to the vlog, David?
Hello. Hello, YouTube.
Alright, so now I'm happy I got that strike, guys. But yeah, so it's gonna be a fun night of bowling and probably doing some other stuff. So I will try to update you guys as I go for tonight. So yeah.
That I always had to be good. But being good always been problems, it's true. So I learn it, and now I know I don't wanna play it, to play it right. Maybe I'm crazy, but I'm around, baby, it's true, yeah.
Alright guys, what a day. It's been such a long day guys. It was a lot of fun though. The last 2 days were very interesting. Went to the arcade, then I went to another arcade within another mall. So the last couple of days has been me at a few malls in the Philippines. So it was really fun, and I just really enjoyed spending time with my cousins and just doing all the stuff with them. And I also want to say that after, like as you just saw, that after we did our bowling, we also did some archery, which was really cool. So I actually enjoyed it. I am fairly decent at it, I guess. But I guess when you aim it in the Philippines, it's a little bit different because when I watched a YouTube video off of it, it was like what they did when they were taught on how to do it. It was more like you're wiping your face. That's how you had to position yourself a little bit. So yeah, but it was really great though. Like I enjoyed my day. It was a lot of fun. So basically a recap really is we went to the arcade in a mall, went to another arcade today in another mall, and then there was so many arcades here out in the Philippines, which is actually amazing. But just around the world, there's so many arcades, honestly. And then after the arcade and exploring the malls, we also went bowling, and we also did some archery. So all of that stuff that I did was absolutely fun. Alright guys, it's been such a long day. The last 2 days actually, because I filmed both Wednesday and today. So today is Thursday. So yeah. So basically it was a lot of fun. But anyways, I'm going to end the vlog here, and I know I have planned for the rest of my trip here in the Philippines, but if I feel like it's definitely worth it, I will try my best to film it. And as you kind of saw some of my cousins, and well, you saw some of my cousins and heard a few of their voices at the very least. So that was fun. But anyways, if you guys are enjoying my content, then you know what you have to do. Make sure you leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on those post notifications to become a certified Prodigy. And with that being said, I will see you guys all in the next one. Peace.